many wonder why Mary was specifically chosen. While there were many virtuous virgins in Israel, Mary was not a random pick. She was the only one who carried the specific bloodline needed to bypass a legal curse and restore the throne of David. God made an absolute covenant with King David. A savior would come from his physical bloodline to sit on the throne of Israel forever. This promise was a biological requirement. For centuries, David's son, Solomon, and his descendants ruled as kings. However, this line eventually fell into deep rebellion. The climax of this defiance was King Jeconiah. Because of his wickedness, God pronounced a catastrophic biological curse on his offspring through the prophet Jeremiah. "Record this man as if childless, for none of his offspring will prosper. None will sit on the throne of David or rule any more in Judah." Jeremiah 22:30. This created a legal trap. The Messiah had to be from the royal line to have the authority to rule, but that line was now biologically cursed. No physical son of Solomon's lineage could ever be the king. The genealogy in Matthew 1 confirms that Joseph was the legal heir to the throne. However, because he descended from Jeconiah, he carried the poisoned inheritance. If Joseph had a biological son, that son would be barred from the throne forever. Mary's genealogy is recorded in Luke 3. In ancient Jewish culture, official records were patrilineal, traced through men. Since Mary's father, Heli, had no sons, Joseph was listed as the son of Heli by marriage to preserve the family name. Unlike Joseph, Mary did not descend from Solomon. She descended from David's other son, Nathan. Nathan possessed the biological blood of David, but held no crown. Solomon held the legal crown, but his bloodline was cursed. When the angel Gabriel appeared to Mary, it was the execution of a perfect legal plan. Because Mary was a virgin, she provided the physical blood of David through Nathan's line, utterly untainted by Jeconiah's curse. When Joseph married Mary and officially named the child, he adopted Jesus as his firstborn. This act passed the legal royal title from Solomon's line directly to Jesus.